You didn't chase. You didn't blow up her phone. You didn't plead for another chance. Instead, you made quiet, confident moves that spoke louder than any words could. Now she can't stop replaying things in her head, not because of what you said, but because of who you became. Someone she never thought would slip away. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 Stoic moves that make her question her decision to walk away. Not through tricks or manipulation, but by mastering your energy, your focus, and your growth. This isn't about playing games. It's about evolving into the kind of man who no longer needs to prove anything. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be." Be one, that's the mindset here. When she leaves, you don't chase. You don't beg for validation. You stay centered in the man you're becoming, and that's when the shift happens. That's when she starts to look back. First, you go silent. No closure talk, no pleading, no asking, "What did I do wrong?" You don't vanish to hurt her. You step away to rediscover yourself. Silence becomes your message, and that stillness speaks volumes. Second, you rebuild your routine. You hit the gym, you focus on work, you show up for yourself every single day. You're consistent, you're focused, and without even trying, she starts to notice the transformation. Third, you stave off the emotional posts. No sad quotes, no "I miss her" vibes, no pity grabs. When she checks your profile and sees calm strength instead of pain, that contrast shakes her. Fourth, you elevate physically. You move with purpose, you speak with clarity, and you carry yourself like a man growing stronger, not breaking down. Fifth, you stop keeping tabs on her. No story views, no likes, no online breadcrumbs. Your absence makes noise. Most guys linger, but you don't, and that silence echoes. Sixth, you start drawing attention naturally. You're connecting with new people, exploring new spaces, and your energy starts to attract without effort. She'll hear about it before you ever mention it. Seventh, you stop explaining yourself. No long paragraphs, no "let me tell you how I feel." You let your peace do the talking. That quiet confidence lingers in her mind longer than any text ever could. Eighth, you control your emotions. She expects chaos, but instead she sees calm. You don't react, you respond with stillness, and that composure creates a powerful contrast that builds regret inside her. Ninth, you pour yourself into something bigger than the relationship, a new goal, a passion, a vision that pulls you forward. When your purpose becomes the center of your life, she realizes she's no longer the focus, and that's when the regret hits. 10th, you remain respectful but out of reach. If she circles back, you meet her with calm eyes and boundaries. No bitterness, no hate, just a man who knows his worth. She sees that she can't reach the version of you she let slip away. You never needed her to regret leaving. You didn't force it. You became whole, grounded, and powerful, and that alone made her remember what she lost. Because when you live these 10 Stoic moves, she recalls the calm, the strength, and the presence. She remembers the man who didn't beg. And by that point, you're already walking forward. That is the Stoic way. Don't forget to like and follow for more Stoic wisdom.